Women often guess to be quite enigmatic. While there are still many mysteries surrounding male sex, we learned some interesting information about the physical characteristics of guys. They are constantly warm, and what exactly goes on below the belt. Check out the 8 facts about men's bodies women probably don't know for some comparable information about the other sex. Why do men smell bad? Biology is the biological cause of men smelling worse than women. Men have more hair than women, which contributes to their unpleasant odor. Because body hair is permeable, bacteria that produce odor can adhere to it and cause men to smell bad. Similar to how perspiration from the human body can better be trapped in moisture by male body hair. Sweat leaves an unpleasant smell behind when it is trapped rather than evaporating. Therefore, the true cause of why men may be perceived in society as being less desirable than women is their genetic makeup. Because of the hormone androstenone in their bodies, certain men might also smell. A natural male pheromone called androstenone can. Men's skin is thicker than women. This truth does not allude to the cliche. Men literally have thicker skin than women because they have more testosterone coursing through them. According to Dermatologica, the reason why men's skin is around 25% thicker than a woman is because to the stimulation of the androgen hormone. A man's skin is not just thicker, but it also has a harder texture. Men's diet affects their sperm count. A study of 250 men who had their sperm examined at a fertility clinic showed that men who are higher amounts of fruits and vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables and beans, had higher sperm concentrations and better sperm motility compared to men who ate less of these foods. Walnut and salmons are additionally meals that increase sperm count. On the other side, food like processed meats, trans fat, soy, pesticides, and high-fat dairy items might dilute the supply. Men get yeast infections. Men can acquire one of these bothersome illnesses too, although yeast infections are substantially more prevalent in women. 75% of women will experience one in their lifetime. Additionally, according to Mayo Clinic, male yeast infections may result in a condition known as balanitis, inflammation of the head of the penis. Men can make milk. Ever questioned why males have nipples? According to Healthline, the basic answer is that nipples form in the womb before the fetus becomes clearly male or female. It turns out that the gland responsible for producing milk in men, the mammary gland, exists as well. Men can create milk, but it usually only happens when something is wrong, usually a problem with the hormone prolactin, which is required to produce milk according to Scientific American. Men snore more than women. Anyone who has slept next to a loud snorer is probably not surprised by this fact, because snoring originates from the lips and the nose. Men tend to snore more frequently than women. According to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, only approximately 24% of women snore on a regular basis compared to roughly 40% of men. Men have bigger jawbones, cheeks, and eyebrows. What distinguishes a male or female face? Actually, a conventional masculine or feminine appearance is influenced by a few real things. Men have larger jawbones, cheekbones, and brows, while women have wider features, fuller lips, and higher eyebrows. According to a study in Frontiers of Psychology, facial height, jawbone prominence, and eyebrow thickness play a significant role in perceived attractiveness and masculinity. Men's teeth are larger than women's. Given that men tend to be bigger than women, it makes sense that their teeth would be bigger. This is actually true according to a study. Research showing that men's teeth, particularly the canine teeth, do in fact tend to be larger than women's teeth. Men typically have darker hair than women. You're probably right if you believe you know more blonde hair women than guys. Men will normally have darker hair than their female counterparts, particularly once the individual has passed through adolescence. According to a study, phenomena results from men having larger levels of melanin, a substance that affects a person's skin tone, hair color, and eye color. Men have different perspectives. According to a study, that men and women perceive color in different ways because they have fewer retinal cones in their eyes. Male eyes are less sensitive to color shades. At the same time, because of more significant neuron development in the visual cortex, male eyes see brighter light more effectively. Males have higher levels of testosterone in their bodies, which is what causes the visual cortex rapid neuronal development. In the visual brain, men generally have roughly 25% more neurons than women. Men are therefore better at detecting light due to biological adaptations that have enabled them to notice other creatures at larger distances. Male eyes are also superior at tracking movement and perceiving finer detail. The male body is particularly intriguing and endowed with qualities that would astonish one. Scientific research that into the secrets of the male body is ongoing due to the male body's extreme complexity. These facts about the male physique will pique your interest, whether you're a guy trying to better understand your own body or a non-guy attempting to fandom which like to be a guy. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye and God bless. See you on my next one.